Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our EVS class. Today I am going to teach plant and its parts. Okay children? So here there are so many living things on the earth. So what are the living things on the earth? What are the living things on the earth? Animals, human beings and also plants. Yes children, plants are also living things. So all the living things which are on the earth depend on the plants. So we depend on plants for food and also for oxygen. We depend on plants for oxygen and also our food. Okay children, so we get so many food items from the plants. We get so many food items from the plants. What food items we get from plants? Fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, flowers. Yes children, so cauliflower is a flower. We eat that flower. Yes. Fruits, vegetables, pulses. Pulses means green gram, red gram, black gram, pea, beans. Yes, no, cereals, jowar, bajra, grains and yes, cereals. Okay children. So we get all this from the plants. So we depend on plants for our food and for oxygen and for shelter. Yes. So here we see the different types of plants in our surroundings. That are some are very big and some are very small. Yes. The big plants are called trees and the small ones are called plants. Yes children. So here these plants grow in a different places. Yes. These plants grow in a different places. Some plants grow in a desert, some plants grow on mountains, some plants means on the ground, on plains, and some plants grow in a water. Yes children. So here, wherever they grow, all the plants have same parts. All the plants have same parts. See here, the picture of a plant: root, stem, fruit, leaf, branches, flowers. Branches, flowers. Here, the plant has mainly two parts. A plant has mainly two parts. What are that? Root, shoot. Root, shoot. The part of the plant which grows under the ground or which grows below the ground is called a root. The part of the plant which grows under the ground is called a root. Okay children, it fixes the plant firmly into the soil. It fixes the plant strongly to the soil. Okay children, and next one, shoot. The part of the plant which grows above the ground. The part of the plant which grows above the ground is called a shoot. Okay children, and this shoot has stem, fruits, leaves, branches, flowers and buds. Okay children, the shoot has stem, fruits, leaves, branches, flowers and buds. Here the stem gives support to the parts of the plant which grows above the ground. Means this stem helps the plant to grow straight, to grow upright. Okay children, here if we come to the root, there are two types of roots. There are two types of roots. What are that? Taproot, fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. In a taproot system, we can say one main root that grow from the end of the stem. And this main root has small hair-like structures that are called root hairs. That hairs are called root hairs. One main root that grows from the end of the stem and it has a small hair-like structures. These hair-like structures are called root hairs. Okay children, so this root system is called a taproot. These roots are called a taproot. Okay children, and next fibrous root. So here there is no main root. There is no main root here. So only small fiber-like structures grow from the end of the stem. Grow from the end of the stem. Okay, children. So this root is called a fibrous root. This root is called a fibrous root. So taproots we can see in a peas, beans, mango, tamarind, tomato, guava, brinjal, neem, lemon. Okay, children. And next, fibrous root we can see in a grass, rice, wheat, maize, onion. Okay, children. These plants have the fibrous roots, and these plants have the taproot. See here now. What is this root? Fibrous root. Is there any main root here? No. Small fiber-like structures are growing from the end of the stem. Small fiber-like structures are growing from the end of the stem. So this is fibrous root system. So we can see this type of roots in a grass plants. And wheat, rice, maize. So these plants have needle-like leaves. These plants have needle-like leaves. Means the plants which have needle-like leaves, they have the fibrous roots. Okay, children. Rice, maize, wheat, the tree leaves are like this only, no? Yes, no? So these plants have a fibrous root. Which plants means if the plant leaves are like this, then the root is taproot. Okay, children. If the plant means we can see this type of leaves. Yes, on some plants, trees. Some plants have this type of leaves, broad leaves. So that plants have taproot. That plants have taproot. By observing these leaves, we can say that plants have taproot. If the leaves are like a needle, then we can say the root is fibrous root. Okay, children. So what are the functions of roots? What are the functions of roots? Roots fixes the plant strongly into the soil. Okay. And roots absorb water and mineral salts from the ground, from the earth, and send them up to the stem and to other parts of the plant. And next, some plants they store food. Some plants they store food in a roots. Okay, then. So we take that roots as a food. We eat that roots now. Yes, children. So which plants store their food in the roots? Beetroot, carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato. Yes, children. So these plants store food in the roots. So we eat the roots as our vegetables. Okay, children. Did you understand up to here? And next part of the plant is stem. Here, the part of the plant which grows above the ground is called a stem. Okay, children, the part of the plant which grows above the ground is called a stem. So it is the main part of the plant. It gives support to the parts of the plant that are above the ground. Means it gives support to the base, leaves, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits. Yes, children. So the stem, base means it gives support to the all these parts. Okay, it is the main part of the plant. Here, the stems of the different plants are different. Means some plant stem is very strong and woody. Yes, no, means some trees, big trees, neem, mango, banyan, peepal, trees have a strong and woody stems. Strong, hard and woody stems that are called trunks. So these hard and woody stems help the plant to grow straight, to stand upright. Okay, children. So here, the stem of banana is very thick and soft and green. The stem of banana is very thick, soft and green, but it bears leaves. Okay, children. Next, money plant, beetle, bean and pea plants. The stem of these plants are very soft and weak. So they need support to climb up. Okay, they need support to climb up. So these are called climbers. What are these? Climbers. Okay, children, money plant, beetle, bean plants are very soft and weak stems. So they need support to climb up. Okay, children. So these are also called as climbers. But these are also bear leaves. Okay, children. And next, stems of sugarcane and potato, ginger, onion, they store food in them. Means sugarcane, onion, ginger, potato, they store food in the stems. We eat the stems. Also. As children, we eat the potato, ginger, sugarcane, onions, etc. So these plants, they store food in the stems. Okay, next, functions of a stem. So what are the functions of stem? Stem holds the plant upright. It gives support to the parts of the plant which are above the ground. Means it gives support to the branches, leaves, flowers, buds, fruits. Okay, and next, it carries food from leaves. Means which prepare food in a plants. Leaves prepare food. Yes, no? So the stem carries food from leaves to other parts of the plant, including roots also. The stem carries food to different parts. Means from leaves to branches, flowers, fruits and also roots. Okay, children. And it carries mineral water from roots. Roots absorb water and mineral salts from the ground. Yes, children. So this water means the roots send the water to the stem. Okay. And the stem carries water from the roots to different parts of the plant. Okay, children, did you understand? Did you understand about the stem? So here there are different types of stems. Means some plants have very weak stems and some plants have very strong and woody stems. Some plants have very hard and woody stems. So these stems help the plant to grow straight. Okay, children. And what are the functions of a stem? Stem holds the plant upright and it carries food from leaves to other parts and it carries mineral water from the roots to other parts of the plant. Okay, children, did you understand up to here?